I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, ride and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, ride or they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just blew on a hoodie, it's a crenshaw. Way that I've been living, nothing conventional.
Hello, women, gangs. It's Sunday and the devil's been working. It's the start of the week though. It's the Lord's Day. It's a new week. I'm alive. God woke me up this morning. I'm going to choose to focus on the things that I do have, and everything that is positive is all about mindset, y'all. So I found a new girlie to watch because the girlies have been inconsistent on YouTube. Not me though. But I really like this woman right here. I did my nails yesterday, but my camera was dead, so I didn't get to show y'all. But these are so cute. I'm mad that they're too long. I got them so long. First of all, it's a little too much glue, but whatever. I got them too long, but I mean, it is what it is. It's kind of like how I used to wear my nails, so it's not, whatever. These nails are by the BT Art box that I told y'all about in my Baddie in the Budget video. And this girl right here, is it Taj? Taja. I don't know, but I like her. Yeah, we like you, girl. We like you. I literally just found her from the YouTube algorithm. Love it. She's like faith, lifestyle, travel, content creator. I'm watching her weekly vlog, but I'm also currently trying to get my grocery list together. I decided I'm gonna write it on paper because like old school style, just because like I was not focusing or whatever on my phone. Wait, I got up to get my camera and left my pen. Okay. But I'm looking at this meal prep download and I'm like picking and choosing some things that I can eat, and I'm thinking about the things that I already have at home. So my breakfast for the week, we need to get back on the road because we've gained weight and I just don't like how my clothes are fitting. My breakfast for the week, I have like two things. I typically eat yogurt, but we're going to do the 3 eggs cooked with spinach. Oh, not mushrooms. Hold on. She had one with tomatoes. I don't like mushrooms. Okay. 3 eggs with spinach and tomatoes cooked with coconut oil and a slice of whole grain toast. I don't like grapefruit because it tastes like throw up to me, so I'm gonna use berries. Y'all know I love berries, my favorite fruits. So I wrote down, because I already have eggs, so I wrote down spinach, tomatoes, whole grain toast, blueberries, and then like if I don't want that, I'm gonna do blueberries and yogurt for breakfast. And so that's my second breakfast option. Everything on here is gonna be 2 options for the week. Well, yeah, kind of, sort of, yeah. So for lunch, I'm going to get chicken breast, which I already took out some chicken breast. I need some more frozen broccoli and some mixed greens. And what in the world? I don't know why. Oh, because I already have the jasmine rice. So if you can see for here, she has the 4-ounce grilled chicken breast. I have that on the list. I already own jasmine rice, and then we're getting the broccoli. And then the 2 cup of mixed greens with balsamic vinaigrette. I already have balsamic, but that's what's going to be lunch choice number 1. And then a half a cup of Greek yogurt with berries is going to be my snack. I have snacks written over here already. Apple, I already have yogurt on my list, so I don't need to rewrite it, but I need to get a bag of apples because right here, as you can see, she has like snack, 1 apple, 10 almonds. I can't eat almonds, so it's really hard. I feel like sometimes for healthy stuff when you have a nut allergy, but it is what it is. And then she has another lunch here. I guess we could eat the same for lunch for the week. It doesn't matter. I could eat the same thing. And then for dinner, instead of this, I'm gonna do meatballs. So I have 2 dinner options. For dinner, I'm gonna do chicken again with sweet potatoes and asparagus. And then for dinner option number 2 for the week, I'm gonna have turkey meatballs with cauliflower rice. So I already have the red sauce, and I have some meatballs, but I might have to get some more. So this is what I'm eating for the week. Typically, y'all, this is what I do like when I'm on my, if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. And I've realized this in every aspect of my life, especially when it comes to my nutrition. Like if I don't plan things out, I be eating like crap. It's so bad. So yeah, this is what we're gonna have. It's kind of like, I woke up early today, but I kept going back to sleep. I literally had the most insane nightmare ever, and it was so crazy because before I had went to sleep, I stayed up to like, I want to say like 1 a.m. and I was just praying and reading my Bible. And y'all, I just threw my wig on, so just vibe out, okay, babes? Like, it's girl talk. It's chat time. I just doing my wig. Like, it's Sunday, girl. You know, I'm not doing my hair if I don't go anywhere, okay? My pastor has said it for the message this morning. I didn't go into church. I watched it online because I'm dealing with some stuff with my car insurance. So y'all got see this. Well, I know it'll already be fixed by the time y'all see this, but continue to just pray for me, child. I'm trying to remember to put on my camera because in this series is like, I want to take y'all through like realistic days of someone who has been laid off, someone who's like fighting in the spiritual realm. Like every day is a battle. It's a battle of like the mind, the soul, the spirit, and just I thank the Lord for keeping me. But I literally was praying last night and I didn't want to turn on my camera. It was an intimate moment with God. And reading my Bible yesterday, I read out of 1 Samuel 1:3. So I read Hannah's vow, and I'll have it on screen and I'll put that in the description box for y'all challenge for this week. Every weekly vlog has a weekly challenge in the description box, so always make sure to check out the description box for the weekly challenge, y'all. Y'all know I love me a good challenge. Y'all always gonna leave very much fulfilled from these videos. So now I got my nails done, I'm talking more, babe, be for real. Nail salon who? Huh? What you say? Yeah. I was reading Hannah's vow. The Lord took me back to Hannah's vow and was like, the Holy Spirit was like, I need to read this and meditate on this. Because I was not prepared to read Hannah's vow yesterday at all. I don't know. This Bible verse in my head, I think it's Psalms 24. It's a Bible verse that reads, lift up ye, O ye gates, you everlasting doors, for the King of glory is here. Who is this King of glory? The Lord mighty, the Lord strong and mighty, the Lord mighty in battle. The King of glory is here. And y'all, like, I don't know why I was sitting on my couch and that just kept just going in my head. Like out of nowhere, I literally was watching Vanderpump Rules. And in my head, it was just like, lift up, I'm getting the words wrong, but it's just like, you know how something in your head, you're like, where is this coming from? And it was like, lift up your heads. That's what it is. It's the King James Version. Lift up your heads, you everlasting doors, and be ye lifted up, for the King of glory is here. Who is the King of glory? The Lord Almighty, the Lord mighty and strong, the Lord mighty in battle. And I just was like, what is this? Why is this in my head? Just randomly. I'm watching Vanderpump Rules. Then I was like, let me turn this off. And I was like, the Lord of hosts. But truly, what is the Lord of hosts? And so I was like, you know what? Let me open up my computer and look up what the Lord of hosts is. God of the armies of angels is the Lord of hosts. Yahweh Sabaoth is God of hosts. And so I was like, what in the world? Like, where's the Lord of hosts mentioned in the Bible? And it says it's mentioned like 200 something times in the Old Testament, but one of the first times it's mentioned when Hannah in 1 Samuel, like, you see how things just like come together, like, oh my goodness. So, and I was like, oh my goodness, it led me to Hannah. It was like the first time Lord of hosts is mentioned in the Bible is 1 Samuel, and it's the story of Hannah's vow. And I'm like, okay, Holy Spirit, I get what you're putting down. Like, after I read that, meditated on that, I literally had the worst nightmare ever. And I just know in my heart that it was not from God. It was from Satan trying to reestablish some covenants and trying to put plans. Y'all, I woke up and was like, yeah, I need to get to it. My pastor literally said Christianity doesn't stop the drama, it starts it. And like, honestly, in my adult life, knowing everything that I know now, which I can always learn more. But I really feel like growing up, I used to be like, why these people so on fire for, not I won't say on fire for God, but like they doing too much. You know what I mean? Like it was out of my ignorance. But now I see, like once you become spiritually mature, like you start to pick up things that you would not have before. I don't know who this is for, but keep going. If you feel down, if you feel like everything is falling apart, like honestly, if you honestly feel like everything is falling apart, that means God is doing something very mighty. Like it don't matter what it looks like physically. It don't matter that it looks like there's a drought, there's no rain, it's been no rain for 40 years. It don't matter that you have no man that you dating, your phone is dry as heck. It don't matter that every denial letter, I'm speaking to myself right here, every denial letter that you get when you apply for a job, like you getting denial letters every day, or letters saying that they done filled the position already, and it don't matter what it looks like. That is my pep talk for y'all today. It don't matter what it looks like in the physical realm, because there's a realm that we can't see. God is always moving and shaking. God is always doing something. God has never left you. God has never forsaken you. Do not be distracted by what Satan and his army is trying to simmer up, some unbelief, some doubt and unfaithfulness in you. Do not lose hope. Hold on to hope and faith, y'all. And I've noticed in this time, this probably has to be one of the toughest times in my life. And although it is the toughest time in my life, I'm able to have my camera and talk about it. Okay, before that, y'all, before I was laying on this couch crying, feeling like I was about to just, I had no fight. Like, I mean, no fight. And so get up and fight. You gotta be mad enough. It don't matter, like, I don't care what it looked like. And right now, I will say it's looking very crazy. And sometimes I just laugh. And I'm like, Satan, you will not get the last laugh. I don't care what it looked like. Because in the Bible, sometimes it did look a little crazy. Folks were starving. There was famine. Hannah was praying. Hannah literally was getting tormented year after year for not having a child. She'd been wanting a child. Can you imagine something tormenting you year after year? I want y'all to read Hannah's vow. Peninnah tormented her. It said year after year. Is there something that you're thinking about that's tormenting you year after year? It's not just maybe one person. Maybe it's podcast men saying that you will never have a husband. Maybe it's your boss tormenting you year after year, month after month. Maybe it's your anxiety tormenting you year after year. Whatever is tormenting you year after year after year, girl, you can't be weak in the knees. You gotta stand up. My first son, Morocco, he's in the cut. My place is literally a mess, so we are going to clean and reset. But yeah. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. And if you are new here, my name is Tasha. We do everything lifestyle, beauty, faith, travel.
My money, my body, now your own. I love you. My money, my body, now your own, oh baby. 30 billion for the account, oh. Hey, Versace and Gucci for your body, oh baby.
So we got half of the stuff that was actually on the list. I got more than what I circled just because I don't have my car right now, so it would just be easier for me, and I don't have a cart to like push. So I was like, let me get half of the stuff today and then get half of the stuff tomorrow, because it's always so bad getting way more and having to like walk with your groceries. And especially like it's so hot outside too, so like walking with groceries and it's 100 degrees outside, it's just too much. But I put everything in my Aldi bag, And I always have on workout clothes when I go to the store because I just be sweating, y'all. Like, I don't know how people be wearing, oh my gosh. I don't know how people be wearing clothes out and it's 100 degrees. Like, babes, it's too hot to not wear anything other than athleisure wear because I'm already sweating. But I let the chicken like clean and marinate in the white vinegar a bit. I'm gonna put some lime just because if you let it marinate for too long, like the chicken taste might be a little, you know. I just had to run to the store to get the rest of the stuff. But I decided to find something else online. So we're gonna make this like coconut curry chicken. I'm super excited about trying. Right when I get back, I got some more chicken so I can just make the rest of the lunch stuff for tomorrow. So I won't have to like cook every day. I think typically when I meal prep like twice during the week because if I make it, I don't want to eat the food. If I make the food on Sunday, by the time Friday comes, like I'm not gonna want to eat that food. I just feel like it's been in the fridge for too long. So for Sunday, we're meal prepping until Monday, Tuesday, and probably Wednesday. We're going to need coconut milk. Let me put this up. I'm so happy I found this. My other sweet potatoes went bad because I couldn't find it. Fresh cilantro, ginger, the chicken's in the fridge. We're gonna put this in the fridge because we're gonna make the stuff for Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday. So we're really I'm gonna take this out. Chicken. Actually, we're gonna pour this on and this is, oh snap. You know how you go to the store and you always forget something? I actually wanted to do some broccoli. Oh my gosh. Sometimes I wish my kitchen was a bit bigger. I need to get like a taller stand to put my camera on because y'all can't see me at the time. Hold on, y'all. I'm sorry. I just be having to make these makeshifts. I thought I do have one.
So impersonal. We see tiny little thumbnail photos of people. We see words typed out on a screen rather than hear them spoken out loud. The pixels and pictures environment almost compels us to be rude because it lacks the subtle social cues, the wince, the moment of quiet, that tell us we've crossed the line. We feel empowered and also have a sense of anonymity as we tap, tap, tap away on our keyboards. Tempted to dole out unsolicited advice to anyone who's not a trusted friend, then I encourage you to resist the temptation. 6. When you do speak, let your speech be laced with grace. No need for snark. No act toward outsiders. Make the most of every opportunity. Let your conversation be always full of grace, seasoned with salt, so that you may know how to answer everyone. Colossians 4, verses 5 through 6. Keep me free from the trap that is set for me, for you are my refuge. Into your hands I commit my spirit. Deliver me, Lord, my faithful God. Verses 1 through 5.